Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get acid resistance in Hollow Knight. This ability, called Isma's Tear, allows you to safely traverse acid pools without taking damage. It's a permanent upgrade that significantly opens up new areas for exploration. We'll cover where to find it and the steps to acquire this essential item. Isma's Tear is a unique fruit that, once consumed, provides permanent protection from the searing acid found throughout Hallownest. This means you can swim through acidic waters without taking any harm, opening up previously inaccessible paths. It's a passive ability, so it doesn't take up any charm slots. To find Isma's Tear, you'll need to venture into Isma's Grove, a hidden sub-area located in the Royal Waterways. Before you can reach it, you must first defeat the Dung Defender boss. After his defeat, a switch will be accessible, which unlocks the path to Isma's Grove. Once the Dung Defender is defeated and the path is open, navigate through the Royal Waterways to Isma's Grove. You may need the Crystal Heart ability to cross certain gaps. Upon reaching the grove, you will find the glowing Isma's Tear. Simply interact with it to acquire this invaluable ability and gain full acid resistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.